I'm just gonna stop pretending to work for a minute to tell you about my favorite mattress slash subscription box service slash video game that I'm contractually obligated to tell you I use every day. Nope, not gonna happen. While I do occasionally do some sponsored content here on this channel for companies that I believe that their products are valuable and important, and I'm on like a first name basis with the owners kind of stuff, I will never do that in this channel, and I haven't, and it really kind of bothers me, honestly. But the way I can continue to make this content without doing the stupid Amazon subscription things and making those people richer, and without taking money from stupid companies and make stupid products that you don't need, is because of my Patreon. At patreon.com/TimSway, you can support this work that makes it free and accessible to the world, and you get a little bit extra there. I don't feel like you're missing out on the story if you're not there, but as a reward, I give a little bit extra content to the Patreon supporters, and we have a little bit more of an in-depth conversation. It is those people who make this possible for you. If you are of the means to contribute to that, that is great, and if not, that's great too. And I'm going to get back to pretending to work and making this free content for you that doesn't have those horrible, 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 horrible ads in the middle of it. All right, bye. So much frets. So much frets. This thing, it goes E, A, D, E, A, and that having that just one step string really confuses the guitar player in me. But you know who does know how to play this is Zhaju of the band The Either, and if you want to hear this played, you're gonna have to go follow her and her band, Zhaju Shen, The Either band. I'll put links and stuff. This is the second electric pipa I made for her. The last one I made was more like an electric guitar that had some Pipa qualities to it, and it was a 5-string. And then this one, we're trying to go the other direction and make it more like a Pipa with an electric guitar shoved into it. And so the theme was conflict, where we have this very traditional looking Pipa on one side, and then the other side becomes more like guitar-like. It's a very unique instrument. It's a lot of fun to design and play, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to hear what Jiaju can do with this once she's back in the country and gets her hands on it. So you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to watch and see that. And maybe if I'm lucky, I can get her to play a little bit for a future video on this channel. Don't forget that anything's possible. Anything. Be good. Hold it.